guys, I have Maggi, chubis. I have garlic powder. I have tomato. I have spicy. Okay, so here I have a tomato. I have onion and ginger. You see, I have garlic fresh. Have carrots. Okay, and I have potatoes, as you see, and yeah, and here the last one I have cabbage with bell pepper. So guys, this is I'm going to mix to our meat. Okay, all right. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon him. So guys, today video, let us cook local meat after to feast my grandfather and mother in the village. So here we have the head of sheep. Guys, so funny, but it's okay, you know. Sometimes it's good when you eat village food or local food. And here is the head of the sheep. Wow. So guys, as you see, it looks like this. I know that most of us we know this kind of meat. So this is sheep meat. Guys, it is looking for you. You see in the camera. Wow, mashallah, tabarakallah. So here also I have the things like liver, like kidney. You see, yeah. This I'm going to mix together. Yeah, and I'm going to. So stay with me. Let us cook local or village food. Wow, you see, so guys, I know you know it. Okay, that's it. Wow. Yeah, see guys, this I'm going to boil first. I'm going to boil after that. So just stay with me and learn more the way we prepare the head of the sheep. Wow, it's big, mashallah, tabarakallah. So you see guys, there is all the meat I'm going to prepare for my grandmother. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it, my video for today. For returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Keep coming, keep subscribe and sharing. Share the link, share with a friend and with family, guys. Wash with one more with hot water first before I boil. Okay, so here I wash with warm water. See, it's boiled. Yeah, you wash it. You make sure you wash it very well. So let's boil the water on the top to make sure it's clean. Okay. Yeah. So after there, I'm going to put in the pot. So Yeah, it's okay. See, Eat is nice, has the water skin, and I have to boil it. So I'm putting here in the already water is boiled. So let us carve it, let it boil for 1 hour, and then yeah, I'm going to wash this skin and yeah, all this separate, and I'm not going to mix right now because we need to boil the head first before we add this kind of headings, because at least only take 30 minutes is finished to boil. All right, so guys, stay with me and let us cook. Guys, after 1 hour I'm going to add this the liver, the kidney. So I'm going to add here one by one, so they boil together. Okay, I hope guys will enjoy it. So all I'm going to add all, so you see, wow. Okay, so after that I'm going to add, you see, I have cardamom, I have cinnamon stickers, and I have bay leaf, and I have salt. So all I want here, and then they boil together. So I'm going to wait only for 30 minutes because already the head of the sheep is already almost done. So just like that, guys. Wow. So let us see. Wow. Wow, guys. You see? Wow. Wow. Yummy. So guys, I'm going to remove this water, and then we go another step. Wow. Here guys, I have magic chilies. I have garlic powder. I have a tomato. I have spicy. Okay. So here I have a tomato. I have onion and ginger. You see, I have garlic fresh. I have carrots. Okay, and I have potatoes, as you see, and yeah, and here the last one I have cabbage with bell pepper. So guys, this is, I'm going to mix to our meat. Okay, all right, the pan is ready. I'm going to add all this vegetables inside there. Yeah, and then I'm going to form with, sorry guys, potatoes. Sorry guys, no problem. And then I'm going to fall with yeah, this kind of spices together. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to mix up all of that. Just like that. And I'm going to add our beef. Beef is there. Wow. So I'm going to add here, and I covered like 20 minutes. Our potatoes become cooked. So check. Wow, guys. Ooh. Wow, guys. Let's continue. So guys, our batata is it is done. So I'm going to add this cabbage and bell pepper. Okay. So let us boil for like 5 minutes only. It will be done. All right. Our beef is ready to eat, and as you see, wow guys. So I need to remove. All right. So guys, look, our sheep head is ready. It's ready to eat. Wow guys, look. Wow. Our food with sheep head is ready to eat.